Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal. Today I have a video that is like all of my videos in one. It's a grocery store haul. It is a meal prep, a getting things done, check off your to-do list video, and I'm also sharing a meatless slow cooker meal too. It's delicious. In fact, I'm going to make it again this week. So let's get into the video. Also, if you like this kind of video, please subscribe because I make videos each week and it's so much fun and I'd love to have you be part of my YouTube family. Okay, let's get into it. Bye. I have another grocery store haul for you today, and this is everything that's on my meal plan for the week. We have some slow cooker recipes and just a lot of easy basic recipes as well. Welcome back to another Walmart grocery store haul. It is my favorite place to grocery shop right now because I do the pickup and they put it in my trunk, so they grocery shop for me. It's just what's most convenient for my family right now, and I love it. So I have some household necessities I bought and some just little fun activity food items, and then also just meals for the week. I will list what we're eating down below. You saw it in the clip ahead, but I'll also list what I'm making. So first of all, I'm making buffalo pesto chickpea sandwiches for my husband. Usually I make them with chicken, but this year we are doing chickpeas, and spoiler alert, they turned out amazing. And then they're just really yummy. We always use these rolls. Or the sub rolls are good too from Walmart. They're like longer ones and they're good. And then I bought some raisins. We've been eating a lot of raisins. And then I bought basil for the pesto. I make a homemade oil-free pesto that's really yummy. I was kind of disappointed in the one they picked out for me, but I was also discounted it back because it was poor quality. And that's something I love about Walmart pickup, is they will discount you back or give you your money back if you don't like the substitution or the quality of item. And then, well, I already said this, but we bought raisins. We eat a lot of oatmeal with raisins in the morning. And then I want to make some breakfast sandwiches just to also have on hand, so I'm hoping to freeze some of them. And then these were supposed to be some flat out wraps that we've been eating for our breakfast wraps, but this was a substitution and it's just a lot smaller than I wanted it to be. So this is another thing that I'm going to be credited back because I wasn't happy with it, but I will eat them. And then also our tortillas that we always have on hand because we're always eating something that resembles a taco or burrito. And then these are our snacks. My daughter will eat that whole pint of tomatoes in one sitting. She loves cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes. And we got some baby carrots and some strawberries. We haven't been eating our strawberries as fast as I would like, so I'm going to chop them up and see how we eat them. I may have to switch to like raspberries and blueberries. They're just a little pricier. And then I got some marshmallows. I rarely buy these unless it's s'more season, but I found this cute thing on Pinterest that's an activity, and it's still snowing here, so I'm like trying to find activities we can do inside. But this activity was you put like a toothpick or like a popsicle stick in the marshmallow, and then you use that as your paint and you make little snow people. So we dipped ours in paint and then we made little people with it. It's really cute. And then I bought some applesauce, some mixed berry applesauce, and some just regular applesauce, both unsweetened, and we'll use those for baking and for snacking. Also with the marshmallows, one of my favorite snacks is making banana boats in the oven, and so it's like chocolate and banana and marshmallows. It's so yummy, so maybe I'll make some of those. And then I got some onions to have on hand and some True lemon packets. We love these. Our favorite flavors are black cherry, raspberry, peach, and lemon. And then I bought some milk. And then I bought a bunch of diced tomatoes and I can't ever say this, cannellini beans. There, I got it. And I bought like 6 cans of beans, and I just didn't have room on my table for them. But we'll be using them for a soup that's pretty much the beans, tomatoes, some chicken broth or veggie broth, and spinach and garlic in the slow cooker. And then I bought some Ready Whip. I like making mug cakes at night. Spray that on my mug cakes. And then we love Kodiak cakes. We eat their pancakes all the time. Like, we love it. So I bought the blueberry muffin mix. I've had the lemon blueberry and they were really good. And I'm excited for these ones. Also, they're a little pricier, but they don't have any oil and they have 15 grams of protein. So it'll work out. Also, I should try, we always buy like the Costco big things of them. So I should try and make blueberry muffins out of those ones too. Then I bought celery. Tonight I'm making a chickpea, like carrot celery stew in the slow cooker. And then the rest of the celery will be for eating. And then the spinach is for some recipes, sandwiches. I bought some potatoes. And we are going to do a simple meal of meatless chili and potatoes with some green onion on top. I bought some steel cut pre-made oatmeal for my husband, just for his work, so he can have on hand if he doesn't have time to make breakfast. I also have thought about making my own oatmeal bags to go. He's really simple. He'll eat like oatmeal, brown sugar, raisins, and maybe like a banana on top. So that would be really easy to make. And then this is not even half of the baby food. I didn't have room on my table. But I always like to get pouches for on the go, and then I always like to get some fruits and veggies. And I don't just feed my baby purees, I feed her food that we're eating too, but I like to have them on hand. And then we eat oatmeal every morning for breakfast, and so I'll mix this peach apple with the regular in the morning. And I also got her these teethers. She was eating one. I was on a peach kick. I also bought these yogurt bites. My 3-year-old eats those too. And then I got some brown sugar I'm going to be baking this week, and then just have on hand obviously for our oatmeal. And then some Trident gum. These were on the Ibotta app, so I got credited back. And I also got some puffs and some bananas. I eat a banana like almost every day. My daughters love them. I also like to throw them in the freezer, so I was trying to buy a lot. We were out of body spray, so we bought some of that and a thing of hand soap. And then I am getting my period soon, and nobody wants to go to the store like right when they get their period to buy tampons, so I was thinking ahead. And then these perfect bars were completely free through the Ibotta app. This is not sponsored. I've just been using the Ibotta app for the past 3 months, and these bars were free. So the bar, and then the other one's peanut butter cups. And I prefer G2G bars over these. I've had them before, but where they're free, like, heck yeah, sign me up. So I'll leave the amount that they were up above, but they both were completely free. I did it again, and I got another one for free. They were great. I love free things. And then I needed some new supplements, iron and vitamin D. Obviously, consult your doctor before you start taking new things. And then the thing I'm like most excited about are these heart cookie cutters. It came with 3, and I'm excited to make pancakes with them, eggs in a basket, make hearts out of sprinkles, Play-Doh, whatever you name it. I have a 3-year-old. It's 2021. I'm trying to be more festive, and I've actually used these, like, I use them a few times a week. They're really fun. So I'm really happy, and I actually use the small one the most, so I'm happy I got this set of 3. And then I also bought some, like, what's that called? Comet and bleach, but I didn't want it up with the food. So there's the grocery store haul. And then I needed to clean out my fridge. This is what it looked like. And I like to organize my fridge in a certain way. So and that's something I do every time I grocery shop, is I try to organize, I try to take things out of their packages. It's not like the perfect Pinterest fridge, but it works for my family and like the way we eat. So this is how it's set up. I like to have snacks accessible. We obviously had a lot of eggs, and I just like to have it convenient for my family to grab. And then this was my to-do list for the week. It was a long to-do list. It was so long. And I always do that, and I don't get to all of it, but I got a lot done. So I made my eyes, I organized the fridge. I also try and wipe it down too, just really quickly. It's not like a deep clean, but then each week it's getting done. And does anyone else do this? I write down like make lunch, because it's a big thing. And then I went to the Dollar Tree. I have that haul coming up soon. Filmed the groceries. And then I told you I love these True Lemon packets. I will drink water, plain water, and then once a day I try and make a True Lemon drink with ice, and it gets me, I think, about 32 ounces of extra water, and it's just yummy, especially if I'm like, you know, around that 3 o'clock hour, you kind of want like a little boost of energy, like some sugar. So that's usually when I do it. And obviously it was time, so I made one. This is just, it's something too, like if I want to get things done around the house, but I'm tempted to just sit and chill, I like will make a drink, and then I pour myself some chocolate. I also do this if I am going to chill, like it's the same thing. But I made some I made some juice, I poured me some dark chocolate chips, and this is the Superior brand of dark chocolate chips. They're so good. You actually can't get them at Walmart. And then I kept putting away my groceries. We live in a very small house, so I have to come up with convenient ways to organize. But this has been my favorite way to organize my baby food. And these are from the Dollar Tree. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like to just see how I organize my house from the Dollar Tree, and I can show you like the Dollar Tree products in my house. But these containers are perfect to hold the pouches, the little cups of food, and then the baby snacks, the teether bites. And then to get stuff done, these ones I'll put in my diaper bag, but to get stuff done, I noticed that I had an orange that was kind of going bad. Like I want to eat it, but I would definitely smell it. So I had leftover stovetop potpourri from Christmas, and I just had these always by my stovetop during December and January, and I needed to use it up, so I dumped the cloves, cinnamon sticks, and the cutie in a pot of boiling water, and it just smells up your house. I'll leave the video below for it. And then I cut up some celery for the dinner I was making and also for snacking. I don't know about you all, but if I have the celery cut up in a container, my family eats it. My daughter ate like half of this. My husband ate it. It was glorious. So the dinner I made was so good. Everyone should try it. It was meatless. It was delicious. It was hearty. So first I started out with chickpeas. You'd add about 2, I'll leave the recipe below, but it was about 2 cans of chickpeas, but I did dried chickpeas just for a better flavor. And then you add chicken broth or veggie broth, an onion, diced carrots, and chopped celery, and then onion powder and garlic powder. And I cooked that for a while. With the chickpeas, you do have to soak them overnight. So I soaked them the night before, and then I had them cooking for a few hours before I added all of the veggies. And then once those have been cooking and a little bit towards the end, once again, I'll leave the recipe, I added this brown rice. This is just minute brown rice. You could add other rice and just leave it in longer, but this is just to like thicken it up and make it super hearty and super delicious. And then I added some peas, just frozen peas. I'll leave the recipe below. So you add the peas. Everything was so good. It was so hearty. It was so delicious. I am making it again. I can also film another video to show it in better detail, but it was amazing. We loved it. I'm making it again. Yum. I hope hope you enjoyed the video. I am excited to keep making videos, and I will see you next week. Have a wonderful week. Please know that you are amazing and that you can do anything.